Meaning of inhibition.
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 Inhibition. Inhibition refers to the suppression or blocking of an action or response. It is a common term used in psychology and neuroscience to describe the control of impulsive behavior or unwanted thoughts or emotions. Inhibition plays an important role in regulating social behavior, decision-making, and attention. When inhibition is impaired, individuals may exhibit impulsivity, distractibility, or difficulties with self-control. Understanding the mechanisms of inhibition can help researchers develop interventions and treatments for conditions such as ADHD, addiction, and anxiety disorders.